What you guys up to this morning? What's going on? Oh, got buffalo wings. Buffalo Wild Wings, Panama City Beach. Come on, guys. Y'all know what time it is. Let's go out here. Let's walk out to the beach. I want to talk to you guys about something for a second. In fact, there's the, had a meeting last night, guys, a webinar. Want to be a millionaire in 60 days? That's pretty much what I'm going to share with you guys on this video. Free of charge. I'm not even going to charge you for this, guys. I'm going to show you guys how every single one of you guys are going to get a chance to be a millionaire in 60 days or less.